I walked in for eggs and almond milk. I walked out with a $74 receipt and a full-blown identity crisis. If you felt that gut punch at checkout, you're not crazy. And you're definitely not alone. Today, I'm breaking down why your grocery bill feels like rent and what you can actually do about it. Groceries used to be simple. Grab what you need, pay, done. But now it feels like a high-stakes budgeting game with zero prizes. Bread's up, milk's up. Cereal? Don't even look at the box. And it's not just inflation. It's deeper than that. Shipping delays, fuel costs, droughts, labor shortages, tariffs, all of it's stacking up. And who pays for it? We do. So I stopped guessing and started tracking. I compared prices week to week, kept receipts, started asking, what do I actually need? I switched from brand names to store brands, saved $25 right there. Started shopping at local markets. They weren't always cheaper, but they were more consistent. Plus the produce didn't rot in 2 days. Then I started meal prepping, not TikTok fancies, just smart. Simple proteins, seasonal produce, bulk staples like rice and oats. And I cut back on the convenience tax. Pre-cut veggies, bottled smoothies, anything in plastic that costs triple what it should. Bonus hack? Apps. I use store reward programs, digital coupons, cashback apps. It felt silly at first, but saving $8 here, $12 there, it adds up. 1 month in, my grocery bill dropped by $172. No starvation, no sad dinners, just strategy. Now, I feel like I'm in control again. Yeah, prices are still high, but I'm not powerless. I'm not swiping blindly at the register. I've got a system, and it works. This isn't about being cheap. It's about being intentional. You're not failing. You're just living in a system that got more expensive without asking. If your grocery bill feels like a horror movie lately, you're not alone. Drop a broccoli emoji in the comments if you felt the squeeze. Like this video if you're ready to spend smarter. Subscribe because next we're diving into meal planning hacks that save money and your sanity. Let's get your fridge and your finances back under control.